We are confident the body we found is that of Naya Rivera. She was found in a northeastern portion of the lake, near the surface of the water. The depth of the water in that area is between 35 and 60 feet deep, and there's heavy brush and trees on the lake bed there.
Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on the program. Well, authorities in the United States believe that the body found is that of actress Naya Rivera, who went missing just less than a week ago. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. A sad day in entertainment and a sad day in the acting arena after the body believed to be that of Naya Rivera was found. So a body found in a lake in the United States of California has been identified as that of missing Glee star Naya Rivera, authorities have stated. Rivera, who was 33 years old, went missing on Wednesday after going boating with her 4-year-old son at Lake Peru. He was found alone asleep on the boat. There has been an extensive search from last week leading into this week to recover her body, as authorities believe it was stuck under the lake. Divers and team using sonar equipment found her body just a few minutes ago. Rivera is best known for playing the cheerleader Santana Lopez in the hugely popular musical comedy TV series Glee. At a news conference on the shore of the lake on Monday, Sheriff Bill of the Ventura County Sheriff Department said that they are confident that the body found is that of Rivera. Authorities don't suspect foul play in the case, which is very good. Whether or not she took her own life as well, that still remains a mystery. This was what the sheriff had to say at a press conference that was held at Lake Peru. Let's go over to that right now on our screen.
Today, our search teams have recovered a body in the lake. Based on the location where the body was found, physical characteristics of the body, clothing found on the body, and the physical condition of the body, as well as the absence of any other persons reported missing in the area, we are confident the body we found is that of Naya Rivera. She was found in a northeastern portion of the lake, near the surface of the water. The depth of the water in that area is between 35 and 60 feet deep, and there's heavy brush and trees on the lake bed there. As you can imagine, it has been an extremely difficult time for her family throughout this ordeal. As fathers, mothers, sons, and daughters, our hearts are with them, and we share in their grief for Naya's loss. We've been in direct contact with the family throughout this entire time, and we've kept them updated on the progress of our search efforts throughout. Our hearts also go out to Naya's many friends and fans who have been holding out hope for the best over the past few days. Detectives from our Major Crimes Bureau began working this case from the onset. Their work on this case revealed there was no indication of foul play and no indication this was a suicide. Moving forward, Naya's body is being taken to the Ventura County Medical Examiner's Office in Ventura, where an autopsy will be performed and a positive identification will be made through the examination of dental records. And just to share with you a recap of this incident and our response to it, on July 8th, 2020, last Wednesday, Naya Rivera came to Lake Piru and rented a pontoon boat at the dock. She and her 4-year-old son left the dock at approximately 1 p.m. and headed toward the northern portion of the lake. We identified specific areas they visited that day by looking at the shoreline features in the background of FaceTime videos when she was chatting with family members while out on the lake. We know from speaking with her son that he and Naya swam in the lake together at some point during their journey. It was during that time that her son described being helped into the boat by Naya, who boosted him onto the deck from behind. He told investigators that he looked back and saw her disappear under the surface of the water. Naya's son was later found asleep on the boat, which was adrift in the northern portion of the lake known as the Narrows, when a leasing agent searched for the watercraft, which was overdue for return. The young boy was wearing a life vest when he was found, and he was wrapped in a towel. An adult-sized life vest was found on the boat.
What transpired here is very sad and unfortunate, and I can't believe that I'm actually reviewing this right now, because I was hoping for the best to come from this. I was not expecting such a news, especially today when authorities have said that they would have beefed up the search in order to recover her. And it's gonna be a sad moment right now for our families and our friends at this very moment. Can you just imagine that pain and that feeling within them, knowing that the authorities have found the body and it can be positively identified as that of the missing actress? But what really transpired here still puzzles me, and I know it must puzzle many individuals right across the world right now, because they were swimming in the water that would have been her and the son, right? They would have been swimming together, and somehow she managed to help the son back onto the boat, and then she went under. We don't know what transpired, whether she got a muscle contract, whether she felt ill, that's why she put back her son on the boat. It's still puzzling to many what could have led her to go under that very split of a second that she put her son back on the boat. Well, the authorities have searched the area from last week leading into this week, and many were believing that the body would have not have been found, but the authorities came in with some extra equipment today, and in order to help them with the search, and I believe this was one of the main tactical move that they use in order to obtain a visibility of the surface of the lake, and using these machines in order to get a proper view of what is taking place under there. But it's gonna be such a sad day right now, and I'm telling you, it's just heartbreaking to see that this transpired to the young actress. And this would have been something that she would normally do on a regular basis, going to the lake swimming, and she has been doing this for many years. I'm told this would have been like a normal routine for her and her son, going swimming on the lake. And on this particular day, she would have carried out a regular routine, rented the boat, then she would go on the lake and having fun. But what could have caused her to become unconscious in the water, or we don't know. It's still puzzling to many. It's still unclear what transpired here, and the authorities are just gonna have to wait on a post-mortem examination in order to try to ascertain what really transpired. But until then, it's gonna be like a battle for many right now, because they have to cope with this very sad and unfortunate news. And she was doing so well, such a promising star, and she had her major success back when she was very young, and many individuals right now are heartbroken right across the world. A number of our fans have taken to social media just to express their sadness and their condolences to the families and friends of her. And I'm telling you, thousands of messages, thousands of posts are on social media right now. All social media platforms are flooded right now with people sending their love, people just remembering her from the shows that she has been in, and it's just an emotional moment now for many. So this is where we're going to leave this one for now. Such a sad thing coming outside of the United States, and we were just hoping that this would have turned out otherwise, but it didn't. So that's where we're going to leave this one for now. Just continue to subscribe to Link 707 TV for the latest, and we'll keep you up to date as always. I'm out for now. Peace.